We're now ready to start building the first elements of the game. What I want to happen is I want to be able to move my hero around the maze. So I'm going to start by showing you how you can get him to move. We have to decide what we're going to use to control the movements of the hero. And because this is based on a computer, we're going to use the arrow keys on the keyboard. So if you look down on your keyboard, you should see there are 4 arrows pointing up, down, left and right. And we're going to use them to control the movements of the hero. So when I press the rightward facing button, I want the hero to move to the right. So I'm going to click on the hero object, and what opens up is this large blank space. Now I can add an event. An event is something happening, and the something happening is me pressing one of the keyboard buttons. So the key, it says keyboard here, and it's the keyboard right arrow. Okay, these are used so often in games that they're actually sort of set apart away from themselves. So this is the keyboard right arrow. So I'm saying add event. So when the keyboard right arrow is clicked down, what I want to happen is I want my hero to move. So let me cancel that. I drag the move one, the little red one like a star up here. It's okay. Now it gives me a choice of directions. Excuse me. I want him to move to the right, and I want him to move with a speed of 5. So what I'm saying is, when the right arrow button is pressed down, I want the hero object to move to the right at speed 5. Okay, so click on the OK. I now need to test that, and to run the game is the little green arrow up here. So I click on the green arrow, it flashes off, it tells me there isn't a sound device detected. It always does this. It doesn't mean your sounds won't work. So in the middle of the screen is my simple little Pac-Man sprite. I'm now going to press the rightward pointing arrow, and away he goes. I've actually let go of the rightward pointing arrow, but he's kept on going because I haven't told the game what to do when I let go of the right arrow. Okay, so I'm going to stop that. It takes a second or two to think about it, and then the game comes back up. There's always this gap before the game reappears, so the game's come back.